going on, guys? It's Moto here, and today I'm bringing you something that I'm super hyped about. I went to the mall, and I got 7 breakthrough packs, and then they also had just legendary treasures, and we know how good these pulls are, so I decided, screw it, let's get one of these too, because it also has Mewtwo on it. So let me just focus this so we can see. Okay. Now, before we get started, and while I'm opening this first pack, let me know what your favorite pull is from Breakthrough. Also, remember guys, leave a like, dislike, comment, positive, negative, anything helps. Just let me know what you guys want to see me do, and I'll do it. Okay. 3 from the back. Trumpets. There we go. Oshawott. Piplup. Hollow. I forgot it's this set. Yeah, Legendary Treasures always screws me up with how many we put on the back and whatnot. So we got a Hollow Victini with Victory Star. It's always a great thing. Basically, I'm pretty sure it lets you reflip. Yeah, it's the reflip one. So let's just go straight into all of the breakthroughs. Start with a Mega Houndoom, which actually turns out to be a Mewtwo X. Okay. So I hear that the pulls are insane for this. Okay. Got a Rufflet, Snover, Swablu, Woobat, Ghastly, Stunfisk, Ursaring. I love this art of Magneton. Reverse Starly, full art Brigit on the first pack I've ever opened of Breakthrough. Full art Brigit. Controversy. Let's go. First ever pull. Let's go. Wow. I'm sad that wasn't Giovanni's, the full art Giovanni, because that card is honestly one of my favorite cards in the entire set. I have a code card. But full art, I'm not mad. Zorua, Skidoo, Noibat, Swinub, Ralts, Burning Energy. Piplup, or Prinplup, saluting, Inkay, and a Braviary. Let's go with code card. And 3 from the back. Okay. Remoraid, Doduo, Piplup, Hippopotas, Pansage, Pupa, Stunfisk, Ursaring, Snover, and a Vanillux. It's freaking ice cream. Next up, we got Mewtwo Y. I really hope it's not one of those packs where you get one good thing and then you don't get anything good after that. That would suck. Let's try to get at least one more good thing. We got a Piplup, a Noibat, Chespin, Ralts, Magnemite, Sandslash, Heavy Boot. Interesting. Fisherman. Oh, here's a card that I was hoping for. Reverse Parallel City. Basically, you decide if you want to screw yourself over or the other person. And an Aromatisse. Mega Houndoom next. 3 from the back. Ralt, Scatterbug, Teddiursa, Goldeen, Woobat, Magneton, Wobbuffet with an amazing art, Quilava, Snubble, and a Parasect. We got 2 packs left to go. So far we pulled a Holo Victini and a Full Art Bridget. Let's see if we can get at least one more good thing. Okay. Code card. Remember guys, if you get a code card, let someone else get one too. But first we got an Inkay, Swinub, Starly, Fennekin, Flabebe, Abebe, Stunfisk, Ursaring, Magneton, Judge, and oh, this is awesome. Holo Mamoswine. I'm not even mad about that. Mamoswine is an amazing Pokemon. And last pack is a Mega Mewtwo Y. Okay. Got ourselves a Pansage, Pippatot, Hippo, Piplup, Doduo, Remoraid. I love Beheeyem so much. Quilava, Wobbuffet, another Mamoswine, and ooh, a Raikou reverse. That is a nice card. I'm not even mad. We pulled some really good things. Let's go for the recap. First up, got ourselves the Holo Victini, a Holo Raikou, Holo Mamo, and then a Full Art Bridget. I'm not even mad about that. And if you guys aren't either, make sure that you leave a like down below. And tell me what you guys want me to do next. Well, this is Moto, signing off.